To add OANDA to TradingView, start by opening your TradingView account. If you do not have an account yet, go to the TradingView website and sign up for a free account. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard with charting tools and various features available for your trading needs. Next, locate the top left corner of the screen where the symbol search bar is. Click on the search bar and type in OANDA. You should see a list of available OANDA instruments, such as currency pairs. Select the specific currency pair you want to trade on TradingView by clicking on it. Once you select the pair, TradingView will load the chart for that instrument. To further customize your TradingView setup, you can adjust the chart settings to your preference. Explore options like timeframes, chart types, and other indicators if you want to enhance your trading experience. Make sure to save your chart settings so you can easily access them in the future. Finally, to trade using the OANDA data on TradingView, you'll need to connect your OANDA account. Navigate to the trading panel located at the bottom panel of the screen. Click on the OANDA option and follow the prompts to log in to your OANDA account. After successfully linking your accounts, you will be able to trade seamlessly from TradingView using your OANDA data.